Hello, Meggie. I've been looking for you. What's wrong, Meggie?
Nothing. I never get to do anything. The boys got to ride all the way out to the far paddock with Pete. They won't even let me on a horse.
Well, Meggie, maybe your mom doesn't think it's safe for you.
Huh. She doesn't even know I'm alive. She doesn't care about anyone except Frank. But I'll tell you one thing, Father. When I'm grown up, I'm never gonna love one of my children any more than the others.
Here, let me help you. What are you doing, anyway?
Cleaning out this drain so we can get water to the sheep.
Ah. You know, you really ought to be in school, Meggie. Wouldn't you like that?
Yes, but they need me to help. Anyway, I guess I don't need school just to live here on Dragita.
Oh, but you do. Because when your family inherits Dragita, you'll be a proper young lady. You need to be prepared for that. And who knows, you might not even want to spend your life here. Because big as Dragita is, it's only a tiny corner of the world. There's so much else out there. So many other lives you might choose. So many opportunities for you.
Father, do you ever wish that you could go out and see the world?
I'm a priest, Meggie. I must go where the church sends me. Let's see if this works. Aha! We did it. Come on. I'll take you back to the house. There's some things I want to talk to your Aunt Mary about.
Smells like eggs again.
It's the brimstone.
Father Ralph says hell must be like this.
Hey, twerp. What are you doing out of bed? Shouldn't be out of bed. You'll be leaving early in the morning.
It's too hot to sleep.
What is it? You've been moping around all week.
Frank, I don't want to go to Way's school and leave you.
Silly goose. Gillenbone's only 40 miles away. Father Ralph will be there.
Yes, that's so. But I'll miss you. And Mom really needs me here to help.
Meggie, sit up for a minute. And listen to me. You know how they always preach to us about how we must work together for the good of us all? How we must never think of ourselves first? You've got to think of yourself because they never will.
Yes, they do. It was Daddy who said I could go to school.
Because Father Ralph insisted he fixed it so Aunt Mary would pay for you, the tight-fisted old witch. I want you to go. Do you hear? I want you to go.